Welcome. Optimizing your PC's hardware for gaming can be overwhelming with so many options. But with KaibanJS, this process becomes much easier and more efficient. Let's see how it works. Manually searching for the best hardware options involves browsing numerous websites and forums, taking a lot of time and effort. Comparing specifications and finding compatible components can be confusing without expertise. On top of that, inconsistent prices make it hard to find the best deals. This can quickly become overwhelming, leading to poor decisions and a subpar gaming experience. KaibanJS automates this process using specialized agents. We have the CPU analyst, GPU specialist, and RAM analyst, each focused on finding the best hardware components. A price analyst ensures you get the best deals, and a combination evaluator recommends the top setups. Together, they make hardware optimization effortless and accurate. Let's start with the explanation then. First, we create the team and give it a name, like Game Hardware Optimization Team. Then, we assign the agents who will carry out the tasks, such as analyzing CPU, GPU, RAM, and more. We also assign the specific tasks these agents will perform, like gathering performance data and comparing prices. Next, we introduce an input parameter, in this case, the game name, Cyberpunk 2077. This input is flexible and can be changed to any game you wish to analyze, allowing you to optimize for different titles. Once everything is set, we start the workflow. On the Kanban board, you can see the agents and their tasks, moving through the stages based on the status of their assigned tasks, transitioning from to-do to doing, and finally to done, following the Kanban methodology. Clicking on the activity button reveals all the iterations agents perform to complete their tasks. After all tasks are marked as done, the final report is generated, providing the best hardware combinations for the specified game. With KaibanJS, optimizing your gaming hardware is no longer a hassle. Our intelligent agents handle the research and analysis, so you can focus on gaming. Ready to upgrade your setup? Try KaibanJS today. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!